Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to make a sketch from an image that you could import into Solidworks. So here I have a picture of a Tesla logo. So to get this in here, what you want to do is go to Tools, and then you have a Sketch Tools, and you have a Sketch Picture. So when you click Sketch Pictures, it'll have you point to the location of your file, and then this will import. Okay, so once you have this imported, I have the sketch open here and you can start sketching over it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just draw half of this and then I will mirror the rest. But let's just do a quick demonstration. So here, let's go ahead and make a spline. So notice how it's black and it's hard to see. So you could actually um, let's see if we could edit this. So you could see, well, these views aren't really changing, but if I double click this, I could have transparency is none. I could do a user defined transparency. So let's see if I do like 0.5. Okay, so here, if you do full image, it works a little bit better. So we're gonna actually lighten the transparency. So when we sketch over it, it'll be a little bit easier to see. So now if I go back to sketch, let's go ahead and sketch this. So we're gonna choose the top plane to do our sketch. So you can see here, we could come down to this line. So that's our first line. And then for these, you could use arcs or splines. Um, actually, yeah, spline might be okay. So you could click a few points like this. I'm just gonna use two. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm gonna spline this again from here, maybe another point. Okay, so those are my 2 points. And then I have my edge here. And maybe I'll make more points here. So I'm gonna come in here, another one here, and this point. I'm gonna undo this. You could drag this point to make it a little bit closer. Again, this is not perfect, but you could make it more perfect if you want. And then here, I'm gonna add a few more points. So that's another spline. And then for my last spline, I could just do this. And then finish it off with this V here. Okay, so that's our logo. And then we could go ahead and mirror this. So we could say mirror entities, mirror about. That main line was in my other sketch. So let me just go ahead and add it in here. So if I select it again, if I do mirror entities, actually, okay, I'm gonna select it again and then mirror entities. And you can see everything got mirrored. Okay. So now in this main sketch, if I go ahead and hide it, you can see that I have my Tesla logo sketched out. Okay, so now you could do other things with this in your design as you wish. So yeah, from there on, you could, extend this idea to different images if you want to trace something out. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.